Now we come to the mixer section. What we've got here is a very basic generic DJ mixer. Mixers come in all shapes and sizes. There really are as many varieties as there are types of car. But the basic thing you'd want is a channel for each player. Here it says 1 and 2, channel 1, channel 2, so that's that side. Volume. And this side, volume. I'll just change track on here so that you can hear it is a different side. The switches here are dependent on how you're plugged in at the back, whether you're plugged into a phono, which would be a record playing turntable, or a line source, which is a CD deck, a DVD, anything else that's digital. Bass, middle and treble EQ controls do exactly what they do on any home hi-fi or any type of audio system you've ever heard. They affect what frequencies come through.